In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section in Divi Builder 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a new section on your page and choose the right layout for your content. Start by opening your page in Divi's Visual Builder. When the builder loads on your home page or any page you're editing, you'll see the existing layout with editable areas. Think of a section as the outermost building block in Divi. Sections contain rows, and rows contain modules like text, images, or buttons. Move your mouse around the page to find the exact spot where you want the new section to appear. As you hover between existing sections or at the top or bottom of the page, a plus icon will appear indicating an insertion point. When you're confident you've found the right spot, click the plus button. This opens the Insert Section panel. Choose New Section to add a fresh, empty area to your layout. Next, you'll pick a structure that matches your design needs. Here's a quick guide so you can choose with confidence. Equal columns gives you clean, balanced layouts like halves, thirds, or quarters, perfect for evenly spaced content such as service highlights or feature cards. Offset columns let you shift content to one side, creating intentional white space or a sidebar feel without a dedicated sidebar, great for callouts or asymmetrical designs. Flex multi-row uses flexible rows that can wrap to a new line as the screen size changes, keeping items readable on smaller devices without manual tweaking. Flex multi-column distributes space horizontally with flexible columns, ideal for content that needs to stretch and adapt while staying neatly aligned. Grid multi-row creates a classic structured grid with defined rows, excellent for galleries and product listings where uniformity matters. Grid masonry arranges items in a staggered masonry-style layout, helping pieces of varying heights fit together naturally. Great for portfolios and blogs with mixed content lengths. Grid sidebar sets up a grid with a built-in sidebar area, helpful when you want a consistent secondary column for navigation, categories, or promotions. After your section is added, you can start building inside it by inserting a module or a row. If you need specific column control, drop in a row first and pick the column layout you want. If you already know the exact module you're adding, like a full-width image or hero, go ahead and insert that module and configure its settings. That's it. You've added a section, selected the right structure, and you're ready to fill it with content that looks great across devices.